Teak up here?
Oh, we're starting trimming the caulking, and then after the caulking is nice and smooth, then we start sanding.
Oh, looks like you've been pretty busy up here.
Yeah, well,
Okay, so as Rowan mentioned, we'll be using a chisel just to trim the caulking. So you kind of just slide it like that to make it nice and smooth, and then we'll sand it afterwards. We definitely prefer the chisel because it allows a better angle to trim the caulking and it's easier to grip compared to a normal razor blade. Okay, so up next, after you've actually used the chisel to shave down the caulking, we can use 100 grit sandpaper. And the reason for why we're using 100 grit is just because if you use anything like obviously lighter than that, it becomes quite slippery. And the tool that we're using is Festool Orbital Sander. They're known for their brand and they're very good. So yeah, go for it. And that is how we are sanding the teak. It's a project that requires significant time and effort. Additionally, we are also removing and replacing teak in certain sections. Keep an eye out for more updates on our progress. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive, safe seas, and be blessed.